Pedders TrakRyder eXtreme front brake kits are the must-have upgrade for 4x4 owners seeking the ultimate in braking performance. Ideal for those who tow or carry heavy loads, or intrepid off-roaders, the TrakRyder eXtreme front brake kits vastly reduce stopping distance and brake fade. The kit includes a pair of big 6-pot calipers, high-tech TrakRyder eXtreme Kevlar Ceramic brake pads, and 10-slot dimpled and geomet coated large diameter rotors. The larger rotors provide a 40% gain in surface area over original equipment, and a bigger braking surface means better stopping power. In fact, independent Australian engineering test results proved that at 100 kilometres an hour, the TrakRyder eXtreme front brake kit reduced stopping distances by 14% compared to original equipment. The massive 356mm diameter rotors are geomet coated to combat corrosion. The big brake kit's other features include 6 forged aluminium pistons per caliper, low dust brake pads with stainless steel abutments and alloy steel insulators, braided hoses, and an eye-catching gloss red finish complete with Pedders branding. The kits are available for a range of popular 4x4s, so check with your local Pedders store for a solution to suit your vehicle. Pedders TrakRyder eXtreme front brake kits, epic braking performance.